Welcome to the TinyToons. Let's learn together.
Hello kids, let's learn 5 colors. Name. Number 1, red. R-E-D, red. Number 2, pink. P-I-N-K, pink. Number 3, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Number 4, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Number 5, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. Let's learn together. Red, pink,